Hey guys, I'm Mark from tenttable.com with a little bit of musical chairs. What do y'all think? Well, I was probably supposed to be facing the camera, but I guess the point is to sit there and talk about the chair that I sat in. Poly folding chairs, probably the most common chair in your rental fleet. White, black, red, blue. Outstanding chairs, probably the mainstay of any chair in your rental fleet. Black and white, most popular colors. I personally think black is a great color. It's neutral. It goes with a lot of different themes. Black chair with red tablecloth. White chairs are a must-have if you're in the wedding business, but you just got to keep in mind that your white chair is going to take probably twice as much care. Cleaning, looking at chips, making sure they're in good shape. But the nice thing about this chair is it's stackable up to 50. Unlike some of the other chairs that get a little wonky when you're stacking them. 50 chairs on a rack. They'll go with just about any venue, and they're very, very sturdy. These chairs have, I think, a static weight of 700 pounds. Drop weights are around 450. We have been selling the same chair. They've nested with each other for years, and they're a great addition to any rental department. Okay, the resin chair. Probably number two, absolutely number two in your chair entourage. You know, your resin chair is going to have a nice classic look on the back. They're available in white, black, mahogany, and these are new. These are a wood tone. They have the look and feel of a real wood, but they have the durability of resin. For years, the mainstay was a wooden chair like this, and the problem with the wooden chairs were they would start to crack, they would loosen up. You know, now that they're made out of a resin material, they're UV protective, they're very, very sturdy. They have a much more classic look than the standard folding plastic and metal chair. Great for weddings, 25 in a stack. So you're not going to get as many on a truck or on a dolly as you would the other. But if you're going up to that step above your white chair, go into your resins. They're going to be a very popular choice. Again, white is probably our most popular color, but now we're getting into the wood grains, which people are finding to be very popular. No, now I'm just going to get dizzy. This is your standard blow mold chair. You know, a lot of people start with this chair when they're starting out because they can pick it up at Costco, Sam's Club. You know, Lifetime Products has made this blow mold chair for many years. Probably the one chair that if you have a lot of them in your inventory, you can keep building on them, although they are a very comfortable chair. They don't stack as well. And you know, a lot of times when you're looking at getting something out in someone's yard, if I can fit 50 chairs on a stack, I might fit 20 of these on a stack. You can just see that up against this style chair, it's considerably thicker, okay? They don't nest and stack well. I think these are a great starter chair if that's what you have, but most mature rental companies that I know have taken and moved these out of their inventory to go with the other style of chairs. So basically that's kind of it in a nutshell. You have your poly foldings, okay, which are going to be this style. Your resins for your more upscale events, okay. And then you have your blow mold chair for somebody who wants that chair that they've started out with. And there are varieties of each of the chairs. You know, with your standard folding chair, we have our children's chairs as well. So, you know, if you're setting up a party where you got a lot of little ones, these are a nice option. And, you know, the resins will also come in a variety of colors as well.